Let's try this one.
This one first. Yeah, this is one of them that I haven't actually.
How blazed are you?
This is a high school, not a college.
Y'all want to see my rooms?
You guys coming with us or walking around?
All right, let's go to 2. Decent motors. 2's under construction too, so right next to the elevator at least. Not the whole building. I want to say they're doing restroom remodel.
Let's walk.
We beat him. We did it.
We'll take a silent ride up.
Alright. Are we gonna end it on the top and cross over?
Yes. These have different contacts, feel them.
Yeah, I thought they were regular.
Or they? No, I'm just tripping.
Yeah, they're
Alright.
regular Bruiser
Let's be
contacts,
silent.
the 2. Pretty big caps.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is like, yeah, it's pretty big.
This is an interesting.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's totally smooth. That's funny.
Yeah,
Capacity is 6,500.
not bad.
All
Hers
right.
are white for now.
Here's it. And we'll watch it close. That's it.